everyone and welcome to Housey. My name is Purva and today we will be revealing the teaser of new launch L&T Realty located in Old Mumbai Pune Highway. As you can see, we are standing at the actual location of the project and that is the gate right behind me. If you go straight from the gate, you will get the sales office and the project. And to my left, you can see the Old Mumbai Pune Highway. It is located bang on the Old Mumbai Pune Highway. In this teaser, we will be going to discuss points like project overview, location, amenities, carpet area, booking process, launch discounts and many more. But first, let me tell you what is Housey. Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects developers directly to the main buyers, thus giving you a bottom rate price. Unlike other current listing platforms where if you do an inquiry, your number is shared with different brokers, resulting in a lot of phone calls. But Housey is India's one such real estate platform where listing is done directly by the developer. So book your dream home today with your favorite developer through Housey. If we talk about the project overview, L&T Panvel is spread across the land parcel of 10 acres, consisting of 5 towers with G plus 30 stories building, each having 2, 3 and 4 BHK residential luxurious flats. Talking about the connectivity from the project, Old Mumbai Pune Highway is at just 100 meters of distance, Mohape railway station is at just 5 kilometers away and Panvel railway station is 15 kilometers away from the project. Atal Setu is at 20 kilometers distance and Navi Mumbai International Airport is also at a 20 kilometers distance from the project. Talking about the amenities, this project has 50 plus ultra luxurious amenities in the project, such as clubhouse, swimming pool, a cricket turf, gym, multi-purpose areas and kids play area and many more. Talking about the carpet area of 2, 3 and 4 BHK, 2 BHK is spread across 750 to 850 square feet, whereas 3 BHK is spread across 1150 to 1250 square feet or carpet area and 4 BHK is spread across 1700 to 1800 square feet of carpet area. Talking about the booking process of this project, clients can visit the L&T Seabooth sales office and the sales team will give you a complete project overview, will tell you the pricing details and will also tell you the benefits of EOI. And then if the client likes the project, they can give a token amount of 2 lakhs for 2 BHK, 3 lakhs for 3 BHK and 4 lakhs for 4 BHK and book your personal flat in the project. The token will consist of multiple benefits like exclusive launch discounts and token holders will be called first to choose their respective apartments and the token will be 100% refundable, which means if the token holder doesn't want to continue due to some reasons, the token amount will be 100% refundable without any deductions. And if you want more details of the project and want to book your own site visit, do click on the link mentioned in the description below. And if you want more such teaser revealing updates and more details, don't forget to like, follow and subscribe to Housey.
If you have any queries related to the project like pricing, exclusive pre-launch discounts, EOI process, brochure or you want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients from UAE, US, Singapore, UK and other countries can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such new launch teaser videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.